I was sweating bullets in my Dearborn home last summer. AC wasn't working. I was searching online for reliable HVAC technicians. Hours of browsing led me to a company that promised the world instantly. I was skeptical but desperate for a quick fix that would work perfectly. Their team arrived on time, assessed the issue thoroughly, and worked their magic quickly. My home was cool again in no time, with a sigh of relief and a grateful heart. But what really impressed me was their transparency about the various costs and the repair process itself. No hidden fees were mentioned whatsoever during our discussion. Their professionalism put my mind completely at ease. They explained everything clearly in a way that made perfect sense to me, with patience and understanding always. The price was fair, and they even gave me valuable tips on maintaining my HVAC system properly to avoid future breakdowns and potential costly repairs slowly. I was so relieved to have found a reliable service finally. No more sleepless nights due to a malfunctioning AC that had been plaguing me for weeks. Now I'm sharing my experience with friends and family. If you're in Dearborn and need HVAC help urgently tonight, I know exactly who to call now. For trustworthy HVAC technicians in Dearborn, look no further today. Trust me, you won't regret the professional service. Get in touch today by calling 1-313-777-8767.